Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix your Messenger story not showing. At first go to Messenger, then click on your profile, then scroll down until you see privacy and safety. After that, at the bottom you'll see story controls, so click on that. Make sure this is put on to friends only. After that, you have to click on hide story from. Make sure all of them are unchecked, because if they're not, then they will not be able to see your story. After everyone is unchecked, go back and then click on save and save again. Once it's updated, the problem should be solved, but if it's not solved, then go to your Messenger again, hold it, long press, and then go to app info. After that, click on storage usage, clear cache, and then clear the data too. And then once you go back to Messenger, this should be working fine for you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.